String and tag interpolation allows us to wisely use variables and inject them where we need them. So let's see how this works. Now let's create a new folder into src and name it interpolation. And in here, let's create a new file, interpolation.pug. Close all other ones. Okay, so now interpolation PUG, where is it? Over here. Okay, so this is interpolation. Let's write some code. Okay, so now you can see that we have this object over here, codetap data, with properties author, title, and slogan. So this would be the object, and this author would be this one over here, and this one over here, and this title would be this one over here, and the slogan would be this slogan over here, and this one over here. And then we get the escaped part, the unescaped part, and then basically we have some JavaScript. So yeah, this is the string interpolation. Now let's quickly do some tag interpolation. Say P, this is my paragraph, and then inside we can do a tag interpolation like that. Say span, this is fun. So if we want to also include some attributes to this span, we can say class, class. Also do a couple of pipes here, and we can see that this span was rendered in here with the tag interpolation, and this one was, well, this one was rendered in here, and we have this class that gets rendered in here. Cool. So string and tag interpolation, and this is white space control with pipes over here. Let's do another one, another example. We can see that we did some white space control over here. This p tag, this one, then this one is this one. String interpolation, tag interpolation, white space control. Now you've mastered them all. Let's have some fun with loops or iterations in our next lesson. Happy hacking!